you don't have a lot of money. Once again, the adapter is here. Okay, I think that it's on. All right, so you guys can hear the difference. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with just enjoying some time without actually having to spend any money. And again, for $5, you cannot beat this little microphone. It's not super great, but it does get the job done. So, like I said, you guys, learn to take some time out for yourself. I'm talking about with all the work and nagging managers and the people you're never going to please, no matter how hard you try.